Alright, Dean Davison, liveweatherblocks.com. We're going to go over what's going to happen here. You can see first, you have this low developed here in the northern parts of New York, Southern Canada. You can see first short wave went through this morning, not much of anything. We have a secondary boundary that's going to come in here. Another shortwave boundary trough that's going to come in here and going to cause some problems. You can see some thunderstorm development already starting here in the Lake Huron area, and this area back here most likely will, when this trough hits, it will move to the east and southeast. Problem we're going to have with this area right here, when this low moves closer, it's going to give you that strong upper level wind with just a low level jet kicking in. You're going to have an area of rotation, just in an area I'm looking at right here, New York State, part of North Pennsylvania, parts of Massachusetts, Connecticut. Their area is going to look out for potential tornadoes, bigger threats, maybe damaging winds that come from a line, maybe even possibly a derecho a little bit later today. And really what we're having some issues too here is, look at this cape. 2,500, 4,000, this is a lot of cape, and you're going to have that cape area in this location. This is a lot of cape, a lot of power in front of this system, and it's going to allow the storm to fire up and become really severe. You see there's sufficient shear here where I was talking about the areas where we might have that tornadic probability, so that's good for tornadoes. Center puts out the ratio composite. You can see they're pinpointing it here. You know how that goes. Pushes to the east. That's going to cause major problems. We just hope not to get it here in Southwest Virginia. We had a lot of problems there. You can see here with visible satellite, looks like we're going to try to get the storm popping here. The cumulonimbus here. This is all going to force southeast. All this sunshine is going to allow thunderstorm development very quickly. As you see, the moderate risk area is located here: Philadelphia, New York City, Harrisburg, Pittsburgh, parts of Ohio, up to Connecticut. From the liveweatherblocks.com to our website, go on our radar and satellites. We're going to find our interactive map. That's where you're going to find the options of seeing an interactive map down the street level, and also get your warnings at the same time. Only on liveweatherblocks.com. So make sure you keep that on lock. You're going to have Mike Casino, myself, Dean Davison, Kevin Riley, Rob Carino, John Marshall, Mike Masco, the rest of the whole staff here at Live Weather Blogs, watching the severe weather event very closely. We're liveweatherblogs.com. Meteorologist Dean Davison, severe weather manager. Have a great day. I'll have more updates as the afternoon progresses. Stay safe and prepare for the worst here in the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic states.